Welcome to Fast Money, Marion, where smart money moves create real freedom. What if your first $1,000 could change your future? Welcome to Fast Money, Marion. Today I'll show you how I'd invest my first $1,000. You don't need to be rich to invest. Small investments can grow big over time. First, build the right mindset. Investing is not gambling. Always keep emergency savings first. Time matters more than starting big. Keep your strategy simple. Here's how I'd split the $1,000. $400 goes into index funds. Index funds spread your risk. They're great for long-term growth. I'd choose an S&P 500 ETF. Wealth grows slowly and steadily. Next, I'd invest $300 into skills. Skills can increase your income forever. I'd learn AI, marketing, or editing. Skills survive market crashes. I keep $200 in savings. Cash gives you flexibility.
My savings was a nice surprise.
Avoid unnecessary debt. The last $100 goes into growth plays. Take small, calculated risks. Compound interest is powerful. Consistency creates wealth. Patient investors usually win. Markets crash, but they recover. Don't invest emotionally. Don't compare yourself to others. Social media can be misleading. Real wealth is usually quiet. Automate your investments. Invest consistently every month.
The market's crashing. We have to sell everything now. Just breathe. This is a dip. And
Stop trying to time the market.
A dip? We're bleeding money. Trust the strategy we hold.
Think long term. Saving protects money. Investing grows it. Inflation slowly reduces cash value. Every investor starts small. Open a beginner-friendly brokerage account. Always research before investing. Never follow hype blindly. Diversify your investments. Mistakes help you learn. Track progress monthly. Consistency beats intensity. Spend less on things that don't matter. Build multiple income streams. Focus on long-term opportunities. Use side hustles to invest more. AI is changing the world fast. Research before following trends. Build wealth for future generations. Investing creates freedom. You can start small today. Start early and stay consistent. Like, subscribe, and comment below. This is Fast Money Marion. Stay smart and keep building wealth.